Guys, thank you very much for the wait. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the wait. Uh, Thank you very much, Abdurrahman. I appreciate it. So I had to restart my PC. I noticed that there were some technical errors, which I don't believe it has gone. So I don't know. Perhaps I need to change the PC, but then it's okay. So if you can hear me, then the analysis remains the same. Nothing changed. So it's still the same. Nothing changed. Still the same. Okay. So we're waiting for price to react. We have less than 1 minute for price to show us some good reaction, so we can be able to see where it's actually going, right? So let's hope it's make the reaction makes sense. At least it's in direction of the trade I have already open. So this is the plan, guys. Just set your stop, your get your loss size ready now, and of course be set to enter. Okay, I don't want to get in like a madman today, like I told you guys earlier. So price set a stop, buy stop above, set a buy stop at 11483. It's about to happen. Okay, that is I don't have bias today, but I think price may go up today, the way I see it. So buy stop above here. If it triggers, then we continue. Okay, buy stop above there. If it triggers, then we continue in that direction. It may or may not hold, but then let's see. Okay, we are in. We are in. Okay, so let's see how this works out. I don't want 1 million pips today. What I want today is just a fair trade. Okay, so let's see whether this is going to work out or not. There's a huge possibility that it will go against us. There's also a huge possibility that we're going to gain. So if you've not entered the position, just set your buy stop above at exactly at somewhere. Let me see. If you still have not opened the position, then you have to wait until the price gets to 11492. 11492 is a good place to get in to open a buy position. Okay, so let's see how price is reacting. The reaction of price around here is going to tell us what's going to happen in the next couple of minutes. Buy stop, let me, as usual, I just need to label that, so it may or may not hold. So use proper risk management so that you don't have to blame me for losing your money. I'm only here to guide everyone on how to see a better trade. Okay, so I'm not liable for any loss you may incur on yourself as a result of not risking what you can lose. If you have high BP, please, trading is not for you, unless you learn how to control your emotions. So that is it. These are the points I have at the moment. You can see the points clearly on the screen. It's very clear. It's so clear. Yes, DP. We got have a great day. Yeah. You're right. We deserve a great day. We deserve the best day. You deserve, every single one of us. We deserve it. Okay. I don't want to say we've suffered that, because that is some sort of overgeneralization. Some people here, they have not suffered, so, but then we deserve a good day. If you have any question as to why I've chosen that entry, if you still have not gotten into any trade, good for you. Just wait for this position. Just set your buy stop here. Okay, set your buy stop at 11489.82. That's going to be our buy stop entry. Okay, if you've entered, hold the position and set your stop loss at 11397.02. Okay, that is, these are the two levels I'm looking at, and you have to be ready, guys, to close when I say close, because if I say close and you're still there, it's okay. Enjoy, unless your strategy says so. Okay, when I say close, I mean close, because I'm not a market maker and I don't trust price for today. I said it a lot of times. I don't trust the price today because we're in a ranging market, right? So we don't know what's going to happen next. I'm just targeting. I'm going to close 80%. Forget whatever thing is on my chart. Okay, guys, forget whatever things on my chart. Just forget it. Okay, I'm going to just close 80% around 50 pips. That's if price goes hits the new entry point. That is 50 to 80 pips. Yeah, I think this is good. I'm going to close what? 75 to 85 pips at 50 pips. 75 to 85% at 50 pips. Then I'm going to move my stop loss to break even and let the rest run. Let's see how this all goes. Yeah, getting on at 11479 at for buy. I don't see anything wrong with that. 17989, the same thing, the same levels, right? Just that you got in before that. So if price did not get trigger our new buy position, it means that you're gonna lose the money. I mean, but then you got in here, right? Just slightly before our new 6 pips, before our new entry buy order. Sorry. So if the price hits stop loss, it means you're losing 80 pips. Of course, I believe you followed me for some time, so I believe you're going to use proper risk management just in case that becomes the case. Let's assume my trade I normally like, it's the market is trending. The best place to have entered this position is actually here. Exactly this point is the best place to have entered this position, which is at 11464. Okay, we stop loss below below 11424. Entry at 11464. We stop loss below 11424. That is about 40 pips. That would have been the perfect place to get into the market, but this is not a trending market, so do not mistake my statement. If this were to be a trending market, the best rate to have entered was the previous things I said. Okay, well then it's all good, it's all good. This is going to work out. I have faith that this is going to work out. Okay, just chill and be patient, chill and be patient, and take away any atom of emotion inside of you. You don't need emotions at a point like this, at a time like this. You don't need no emotions, guys. Throw it away. You don't need it. If I close my 75 to 85% here, and the price decides to drive to the moon, to drive to heaven, it's okay. If it drives, it drives. I don't care. Tomorrow is another day, right? So why should I stress myself to lose my money when I have tomorrow again to make a little bit more? You know what I mean? So, Ashkei, Rana, if you're reading this trade, what I suggest you do, either hold on strongly, do not worry about it, make up your mind to lose the money. Okay? Make up your mind to lose the money. You sold at 11480. It seems risky. It's okay, fair enough. Good. 11480 is nice. If your strategy says you should sell, why not sell? I mean, I don't. If I'm biased during my live trade, I don't double bias, man. It has taught me some good lessons previously, so my bias remains buy. I don't see any risk here. I see no risk. I don't see any single risk here, okay? The market has played out very well. We are in. So I believe my position has triggered. Yeah, I mean, my position triggered already. Risking only, if you want to see, I'm just going to show you guys. What the hell is wrong with this? Okay, this is it, okay? You remember I had two positions running before. I closed partials already, but I didn't move my stop because I have faith that price will most likely drive up, okay? So this one, the exact point, our exact entry point, that is. So I mean, I don't say this and do that. I just trade. That's it. Okay. So I don't see any risk here. If Rana, if you are telling me, if you said what you said about this zone, I'm going to appreciate it. I'm going to acknowledge it. Yes, it's risky because there's not been a test of this area before, right? There's been some I personally I call it damage control. There's been some damage control happening here. Okay, look at all these damage controls here. Okay, so now price came all the way up and did this. If you told me that around here, I would have said okay, it's understandable. But looking at this, what price did here, it went all the way down, created this wick, exhaustion wick, turned all the way up, came here, formed consolidation and broke out of this consolidation and came up here, right? It has not broken below the 1 hour, previous 1 hour. Rather, it broke above the previous 1 hour first, then went down to gather some liquidity. Now I have a feeling it's going to drive up. So if you told me that you are selling at this point, I would have said nice. But telling me that you are selling here, I don't buy the idea. You need to look at what you're doing. I don't know. Do not forget, guys, I said my target today is 50 pips. So at 50 pips on the dot, I'm going to secure 75 to 80% of my trades. Okay. Then I'm going to move my stops. I'm going to show you in my trades as well. I'm going to move every single stop loss I have on my open trades to that zone, right? I mean, to break even. All my stop losses, I'm going to move it to 11489.82. When I move them, then I'm going to let the rest of the trace run. I have seen moves like this play out a lot of times. So I've been in the game, I mean, for quite some time, so I can tell. I've seen moves like this executed a lot of times. So if my expectations were to be that price would come here at once and start driving up, then my expectations are wrong. It was never going to happen at this point, all right? I knew that this point was just a test to see if these guys did some good damage control here. Okay, then seeing this is some sort of confirmation. In as much as I lost some trades here, am I right? Is it here? No, 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 not here. I think this is there. I lost some trades in this zone. Is it in this zone? Let me see. No, no, no. It's around here. Yeah, this is it. I lost some trades here. I was thinking the price was still gonna come down at least to retest this damage control here, but then price never came down. So my stop loss got hit around here. It's fine. I'm not worried. If you're in this trade, please ride with me. First of all, special congrats for getting in. But then please, getting in with me is one thing. Riding with me to get out on time is another thing. Okay? And I must say, if you're not comfortable in this trade, we're not at loss yet. We are still in a little bit of profit. You can exit now and go. Okay, if you're not comfortable with this trade, this buy position here, if you feel it's not your type of trade, please exit the trade now, please, and wait for another entry. Perhaps let me know on the chat so that I can give you another entry. Okay. So once now, let me say something very important. Look at this 11511.83. Once this zone is broken, I'm going to move my stop loss. I'm going to move my stop loss to 11426.21. Once I have this current 1 hour break is current high, I'm going to move my stop loss to thereby shrinking it by managing the trade managing. It's called trade management, managing the trade by moving my stop loss up, reducing the risk that I'm taking in this trade. Kiki said she's still in. Nice. Enjoy the ride. Congratulations. Okay, it's broken. So I'm moving my stop loss to the low of current 1 hour candle. My stop loss moved to the low of 1 hour candle. Okay. So the break of this low means that price is going to see 11267. The break of this low simply tells us that price is going to see 11267.03. I'm just telling you guys this so that you can move your stop loss on time. I'm going to mute myself now. I'm going to go on mute so I can observe the trade quietly. Call my attention, guys. I'm looking at the charts. Call my attention on the chat if you need me. Thank you, guys. Nice one, DP. Guys, did you hear that? DP secured 35 pips. That's awesome. DP secured even 35 pips before my 50 pips could trigger. Congratulations to you, DP. I'm quite proud of you. At least I am happy that someone is here to understand the essence of risk management. Not risk management per se, because this is trade management, right? Understanding price action is very important. Very importantly, price is doing this, causing this commotion here because of what? These weak rejections here. These weak rejections here is kind of delaying the price movement, right? It's pushing the prices back, right? Price is reacting to these things here. These young men right here, they are trying to confuse our price, right? So we just need to be careful of them. That's all. This is the reason why I wanted to exit at 50 pips. Yes, DP, trade management is the key, the only key. First, risk management, to be able to know what to risk at a time. Second is trade management. If you're able to master risk management, then your next focus should be trade management. Believe me, these two things are the basic things you need for trading. Once you master risk management and trade management, you're never going to be afraid of any trade anymore. You're never going to be afraid of trades anymore. Yes, you see, at least you understand what I'm talking about. That's why I'm aiming for 50 pips only. I know there is a huge possibility that price is going to jump up to try to retest. I just have seen this kind of setup a lot of times. Price may come up above here to see if it could test its powers around here. That's why I'm aiming for. I'm aiming for 50 pips. 50 pips, guys, or nothing today. 50 pips for me or nothing. I'm willing to lose the money. I've reduced my risk to what? My risk is now low, very low, to 63 pips, from 90 pips to 50, to 63. I think that's a fantastic stuff. Kenneth Uchechuku. Please, which currency is this? My bad, my bad, my bad. Forgive me, guys. My bad. I'm terrible. I'm so terrible, guys. Forgive me. Can you see that now, Uchechuku? Kenneth, this is NASDAQ US100, aka NAS100. That is the pair. It's not currency pair per se. It's an asset, right? It's an index. It's an index pair. Okay. This NAS100 is what? N D X U X D. NDS USD pair. If you're talking about pair, but then nobody knows it. Only clients of dominant markets, only traders using dominant markets broker. They are the guys that understand this language. NDS USD. Okay. Other traders know it as NAS100, US100. Indic. Oh my God! What are you saying, my friend DP? What is indicacy? My God, that's funny. I know I wanted to type index. In the sea is you. In the sea is how you pronounce it. Okay, it's okay. Thanks for this learning. It's learning stuff here, right here, right? In the sea. Nice. Hello, Mr. Romayat. Where have you been, my good friend? Not seen you for a long time. Where have you been, man? What's up with you, bro? Is everything okay? So, just like I told you guys, the break of this level where we have our stop loss 11426.21. This level is a very key level, very important level, right? So, the break of this level is going to cause price to disobey us, right? So, please make sure you have your stop loss at that level. Do not hope for anything. We don't trade here with hopes, we trade with experience, right? We don't trade and we ask God to help us to make the price go. God has given us wisdom to actually make use of it, right? To use price actions and not to disturb him a lot, right? God can do everything, but it doesn't answer to God does not answer to stupidity. Not having your stop loss at this level is stupidity, right? I'm just telling you, I'm just saying respectfully. I don't mean no disrespect to anyone. Not having your stop loss at 11425.05 is stupidity. And if you pray for God to help you when the price turns back, I'm going to hear you and I'm going to shout at you. Okay, guys, I don't mean to disrespect anybody, okay? Please, if you picked offense with that statement, please, you guys forgive, okay? So I'm going to mute myself to avoid saying more.
should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Okay, guys. Okay, everyone. Just like I said, just like I anticipated, price has hit my 50 pips, and this is very awesome. If you say that this is not awesome, I wonder what you're going to call it, right? It is awesome, right? Price is respecting every single thing we say is going to respect, and we are happy about it. If you're not happy, I wonder what you're going to say that you are, okay? So at this point, I have, let me show you guys. I just like to show you guys what I do, every single thing that I do, right? So, one second. So you can clearly see, okay, this is my entry. I don't know what the hell happened to my stop loss. Let's try here. Yeah, nice. So these are pending orders, right? This is my position, okay, and you see that I've closed some other, you saw other positions here, I've closed them, okay. I've moved my stop loss to what, break even. That is the plan I have, right? So let me effect the same thing on the screen. If price hits my break even, I will end the stream and call it a day. So at this point in time, I've closed 75 to 85% of my trades, of my open positions. So I am in huge profits already. But then, if price continues to go up, good and fine. If it comes back to hit my stop break even, I didn't lose a dime on this trade. I didn't lose $1, even 50%. I'm not losing in this trade, right? So that is the essence of trade management. You've secured it, it's yours. Nobody's going to take it away from you. It's yours and yours and yours and yours only, right? So congrats to everyone that took this trade and have closed out at least 75% to 80% or even 50%. It means a lot, right? So congrats to you, Kiki, because I'm sure you took the trade. Congrats to you. Congrats to you. I wish you more wins. I'm going to mute myself again. So, gentlemen, like anticipated, the antenna moved now at this point in time. My break-even point has been hit, but I've secured my some of the profits I've got today. So I don't think there's anything I'm gonna keep doing online. Okay, but be rest assured that there is a huge possibility for our price to get to 11665.02. There is very, very huge possibility for price to get to that level. Okay, do not forget, do not have any open position on this night, because why? We have news coming up. Okay, so you can see my screen clearly. At 10 p.m. Dubai time, we have FOMC. That's a driving news. The last time this happened in 2021, GBP USD moved more than 5,000 pips. I'm not talking about 500 pips. It moved more than 5,000 pips. Okay, so you don't want to leave your trades open for this news. This news is a very critical news, so I will advise you, do not leave any open position. That is why I'm very, very serious with, serious with, having little profits today instead of not taking profits at all. You see, I made my profits, and that's it. I'm done for the day. Come back fresh tomorrow and take some nice trades with me together, so we can, grow your account gradually, right? What's the sense of you make $1 today, tomorrow you lose $20? It shouldn't be the case, right? You come, let's grow your account together. You don't give me anything, just watch and do that with me. Don't give me any money, and I'm not asking for money. I just want to see if I can be able to impact lives. I've been in this game for a long time. I know how these things work. I've been able to see FOMC ruin people that they shouldn't ruin, right? So, so what's the sense of, having a trade open when this comes? Okay, I'm gonna be online, but I'm not gonna live stream. I'm gonna be online. If I see any opportunity, I'm gonna jump at it. I'm gonna so ride it. I'm gonna so ride it, right? But then I'm not gonna stream because if I stream, I may lose focus, right? So what is left for us to say now is just goodbye. Okay? We're gonna see tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. I'm gonna give you full attention tomorrow. Let's see what we can make tomorrow together. We've made a lot of history this week. Let's not tarnish the history by leaving open trace on and hoping that, praying God that it moves. God has given us wisdom, the wisdom with which to do some judgments, the wisdom with which to do some chart analysis, right? So why are we still disturbing him when we get into a wrong trade, hoping and praying? It's not necessary, right? So, with this, having said this, I wish everyone good luck. Please anticipate price movement tonight. If you're going to be online 10 p.m. Dubai time, good luck, trade well. If you're not going to be online, please close all open positions and remove all pending orders because it's going to be tough. Okay? See you guys. Bye.